are in my bathroom. And the next thing I want to do today is to clean these two makeup shelves that I have in here. Brushes, get rid of makeup that I don't use basically. I mean, if I don't use it, what's the point to have it anyway? So this shelf, I did get it from Target. It's literally on top of our toilet. You can add probably towels in here, stuff. You can also pretty much use this shelf to decorate and stuff like this. For me, I use it for makeup because when I put it in my bathroom cabinet, my kids touch my makeup. So my son especially. So I decided to get this one. I got this one last year, and it's much better, to be honest. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go through every single piece in here and then get rid of stuff that I don't use pretty much, and we'll go from there. Okay. So you will see me getting rid of, cleaning this shelf, and also I will be cleaning my brushes, which is I'm going to show you what I use to clean my brushes. It's really easy and simple. That's it. Let's get started. So my makeup, you can see they're dirty. They need to be washed. It's a makeup holder. I did get it from Home Goods. As you know, Home Goods, they have a lot of stuff like this. So that's how I have them organized, like my brushes, eyeliners, lip liners, scissor, tweezer, mascara, and all of this. So I'll be going through this shortly. Since we're going to be washing these, so I'm going to go through these first right here, which is, let's see what we have in here. I need to get rid of this. Let's put it, same thing. And then whatever I'm going to keep, I'm going to wipe it down with paper towel and probably some water, and just to keep them clean and all of this. What I'm gonna do is, now that I have all of these out, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse this. So you can see I'm rinsing it, and then I'm gonna wipe it, and then I'm gonna put them back. Just clean them so that way, you know, it's nice and clean. Nothing too crazy. Oops. Okay. So what happened with the small thing, huh? Then I have a paper towel right here. I'm gonna wipe these, and then the shadow palettes, and you know, like the foundation and all of this, so that way they're ready when I put them back. my makeup shelves are clean, and I can put some of the stuff back. Like I can put them. What I'm down right now, it's basically to my eyeliners and the brushes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the brushes in the sink right now, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be cleaning them. And then obviously I'm gonna put the brushes in the sink, and then we're gonna wash the container, and then we'll go through the same thing, same process, getting rid of some stuff that I don't use either. So that's what we're gonna do. Now what we're gonna need, we will need a clean towel. The reason why we'll need a clean towel is because once I wash those brushes, I'm gonna put them on there, let them air dry. The only thing I use when I wash my makeup brushes is literally baby shampoo, and any baby shampoo works, it's fine. To me it works wonderful, doesn't break my face or anything, so I'll be using this to clean all of these brushes right here, and then I will let them air dry and they should be good. Just put some shampoo right here, and then take a brush and then circular motion and clean it. You can see the brush is clean, so now you can let it air dry. And then it's good to clean the makeup brushes 7 days to 10 days. They say it's better. So that way, when you use them, because there's going to be bacteria on them, that way it doesn't break your face.